ডক্টর শঙ্করাজান আদর্শ বিদ্যালয়ের ছাত্রী। তুমি কিবা কবা?
Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear brothers and sisters, I am Yanur Yasmin, a student of Shankarajan Adarsh Vidyalaya of class 5. Wish you all a very good morning. It gives me immense pleasure to stand over here and speak a few words about the initiative taken by our Hawk sir. I think for the first time in Hubli, a club has been established to teach English. It is English Learning Club Drupadi. In short, ELC Drupadi. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel proud to be a member of English Learning Club Drupadi. At the end, I wish all the success of our club and wrap up my speech. Thank you very much.